good? We're here in Turnbull. There's 5 of us mid-drive e-bikes here. But I think me and John are the only one with a BBS02. Let's get it. We're gonna hit up a single track shortly here. All right, guys. Made it, Javier? Almost?
This feels so terrible.
All right.
Rolling?
Let's roll. We're gonna try to beat the sunset and get to the jump sessions pretty fast, so we're not gonna break a lot today. We're with a pretty good experienced group, so we're gonna try to complete this ride quick. Javier's the only one that hasn't been here, so everyone's been here at least twice. My brother-in-law has my Scott Genius 48 volt BBS HD setup. I have my Scott Spark 52 volt BBS02 setup. So now it's going to be a little more technical and it's going to be a single track. It's going to be fun, windy. There's going to be exposure on your left side, so if you ever feel like you need to bail on the right side. Obviously we're not the cliff is, right? A little bit of a downhill. Yeah, here's this jump that I was talking about. Oh yeah, sick. Jesse, my brother-in-law, and actually Javier, they don't have helmets on today, so I think they're going to be taking it easy. Yeah, go for it. Yeah, take it easy. You guys don't have helmets. Oh, Javier slid. Oh, good recovery though. But he's still on his seat. Or is he? Alright. Well, Javier loves that seat. He's still in that sit position. Alright. I think he got through that turn. Yep, not too bad. Alright, no one got stuck there. Let's turn and burn. Ooh, good catch. You don't like the standing position? Oh, really? Oh, your seat is high? Yeah. I hear you. Well, you could still stand. I don't think I've sat once yet. Thank you. I should be the last one. For now. Oh, you alright? Oh man. Take your time, bud. Did you torque it?
I torqued it.
Yeah, because you went fast off the trail.
I torqued it.
Yeah, it looked like you didn't mean it, but. Whew. But are you glad you didn't bring a scooter? Because
I would have flown off the scooter on that way, dude.
Yeah. You alright though? Did you heard anything?
Dude, that thing is so soft.
Oh, good. Yeah.
But yeah, I torqued it, dude.
I saw you go fast.
Alright.
Yeah, take it easy. Don't worry about the speed. Oh, I'm glad you're alright. That's the first person that I've taken here that's fallen towards the cliff. Sheesh. Pressed on that throttle. Yikes. I told the guys to bring a helmet, but some people, don't need it, I guess. That's a landslide, yeah. Good job. Still kind of a landslide, but alright, got through it. I think Anaheim has these trails like this.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, have you been?
No,
Ah. Alright. We're almost out of here.
do it again.
Right?
Yeah.
He gave me a scare. He actually almost went off cliff. Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm glad he's good.
Still alive, right? Ready to go again, man.
Yeah. Amir has the right headspace. He says he wants to do it again. Obviously not the falling part, but sometimes that's how you learn, though. Oh, sheesh. He's all over the place. You guys good?
Take a lead.
I'll do it. I'm close. Climbing on up. Let's roll. There's gonna be, consider this like a slide. There's 9 jumps or rollers.
Oh, okay.
Pretty straightforward like that. You see kind of like that roller right there? You could jump it or you could just roll it.
Okay.
You've been here, Jesse, so you kind of know the drift. We could do this 2 to 3 times, or we got good timing. Oh, and take your time because it's a pre-ride. Then we'll ride it again. Go ahead, guys. I'll be safeguarding. Yeah.
All right.
Have fun. Treat it like a ride. Ooh. Yeah, Pierre. That was the first time. He already got a jump out of that. I was surprised he was going to be able to jump that bike. Sheesh. Oh, yeah. Feeling alive. Javier's a pro, man. I wasn't jumping like him the first time ever. Sick. Pretty smooth today, too. Whew. Ah, heck yeah. Hey man, this guy first time ever, he was jumping off 3 feet already.
Yeah, nice.
You're experienced.
Like I said, I haven't done it in a while, but once you
Yeah.
get on it, it's kind of it brings you back.
Yeah, good, yeah, muscle memory.
But shit, dude,
I'm happy to be living near here. This is my backyard.
back here, huh?
Yeah. But they made it smooth for you today, so you're lucky.
Really?
It's extra smooth today. They did maintenance. I'll be third. I'll record you, John. Here we go. Whew. Oh my gosh. You. Send it. Oh yeah. Whew. Let it fly. Whew. Heck yeah.
Going too fast.
You look like you just got out of a roller coaster.
Trying.
Heck yeah, everyone's having fun. That's all that matters. I've never seen anyone have that reaction. He's balls to the wall without a helmet. The last time I've seen someone having that much fun was Martin. And that was 3 years ago. on this ride. Ryder, excuse us. There's 3 of us. Javier, man, you look like you're having a blast.
Yeah, man. Taking it easy is just
Too much on that one. Get up here. Oh, heck yeah. Send it. Whew. We're all good. Man, Javier doesn't break. He's fast. Whew. You. You're fast, sir. Yeah, you don't break, huh? Yeah, try. Good try. Yeah. Well, Kevin's derailleur broke, so we're gonna have to tow him out of here. But before we do that, we're gonna do one more jump sessions. 4th and last time. Let's see. Oh, it's just timing with Jesse. Whew. It's all just timing with Jesse. But he's got the bunny hop down. Hell yeah. Send it. Yeah, he's braking a little too much. Oh, heck yeah.
Can't lean back. I get scared.
sorry, guys.
So Jesse, you're braking too much. Because I was braking too, but I was like coming up on you. I'm like, oh yeah, I could see you're slowing down a little too much. So yeah, that's killing your momentum. You want to keep it.
The momentum's like scary though. Whereas like
At first.
my feet.
All right. We kind of missed the sunset. Oh, but I'm towing Kevin now behind me. Hello. We must be 50% up the hill already? Something like that. We're not going there though, because we got to get him out to the main road. And okay, that was about 4 volts going up that hill. Have you ever done the gates of hell or something?
Oh yeah, gates of hell. They said there was some moped people used to do that.
Is it an empty house or something?
The gates of hell?
Yeah, like, because it's a gate and then what's behind it?
I think it's just like an empty old derelict house.
Huh. Yeah, it would have helped if I had the HD. I could feel the difference now that I'm towing. Alright, there's a tower, but we're gonna skip it. We gotta tow Kevin out of here. Alright, almost time to let Kevin go downhill all by himself. That's the worst. If your derailleur breaks, it's like pretty much the end of your ride. Unless you're a hardtail and unless you're willing to cut your chain exactly to 1 speed. Not much you could do about it. What do you think? Untether?
Yeah.
Alright, because it's safer.
Yeah, a little too exciting.
Is it easy or how do you not? Have fun downhill. Watch out for cars, it's windy. Alrighty, E-Fan, that's going to be in today's vlog. It's been a blast jumping with these guys. All kinds of things happened. Thankfully, no major injuries. Thankfully, Javier recovered from that fall. that's going to be in today's ride, folks. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on your Super73 aerial rider or a DIY Bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.